ask you this question. Can you hear your grievances? Marriage, more ye, and the Kanu detention.
Okay. Ekene mundi no band JPAC ekene ngi for ikpobata it shows maturity and respect. Reverend Ephraim Ononye, I want to first thank you for one video you made. I even shared it, where you said you called on the police to arrest anybody that performs a fake miracle. So no matter what, even though I don't have respect for you anymore, but I will still respect what you did, because as you see me, I don't respect anybody who doesn't know me and will start publicly writing things or saying things about me. Ne? Nke JPAC okwu ikwuru isi na Nderiko na Anini na family ha. Okay, mgbe Nderiko na Anini ngwa na onwe gị mana achọsi Nderiko ike na Ọnịcha. Even in the Onitsha so that yeah. Why? If for other atrocities or committed. Oge Nderiko bu that motto agba atọ that time na Bridgehead. Onye driver na-anya moto agbagbu with almost every passenger no there because of some mmadụ ịtọ survival. Or papa or nwoke alligator onye Ụmụahịa. Ọ bụrụ na ịgba bọọlụ n'Ọnịcha ya ma onye a na-akpọ alligator dị ezigbo ọcha ọgụ bụ global that ọ gbakwa bọọlụ na global. Ọ papịa bụ moto. Ka datin me ọ dịghị ka family one ka Nderiko tinyere n'anya mmiri. Ọ dịghị ka family one n'Ọnịcha nke ịmagodu first ka Nderiko gbagburu in broad daylight. Iche kicha datin iwe fụ na ọ bụrụ maka ife family Nderiko na-eche no maka the general public ọ na-etinye in harm's way. Etu ị nọ na Evans bụ onye Igbo. Why you need to defend Evans?
Right, okay, let me answer you this one. The reason why I can never defend a criminal and a kidnapper, Bomna, need defend the only tomorrow. Evans, going away. When I make solidarity for Evans, because of getting when I single to contribute to an Igbo.
The question was directed to me.
You can finish here when you because how many of that would allow you to go on. Evans, I cannot defend Evans because I'm not a criminal and I don't support a criminal. 1. 2. Okay. The reason why I cannot defend Evans, Mona, and what is happening that contributes to the progress of our Igbo.
All right.
As I am now, I am so much pained that Ndi Igbo, they marginalized. I don't know because of what? Since 1960 till date, after Nandia's given an agwu yeronsi till date, only Igbo go to president till now. And so that one alone give me God and privilege to stand to defend my people. Because only president, only now so for Biafra. That person is not wrong. From that time till now,
general topic, and I like to make
right on.
Now, it's a man support Evans, no a criminal. No worry for now contribute. Okay, because I'm interrupt. Can wait 5 minutes land there. I'm ready to answer any question or bonus.
Okay.
Nnamdi Kanu register IPOB business as a private business in the UK, which is where the lie started first. So Kaida as if no for Biafra. You register IPOB worldwide limited.
One both Kogi bias and why
one against. You cannot register a political organization as a private business because it's not a private business. It's a community or an organization. Now, this thing area IPOB worldwide limited. Mgbe na-ekwu okwu na iji na-achọghọ ịsọpọtụ Evans bụ because na ọ na-eme kidnapping. Okay. Madam Social, nwaanyị abụ ya na 2015 oge ejide Nnamdi Kanu. Onye ndị IPOB $450,000 to 450,000 naira iji go professional camera. 450,000 mgbe a bụ 3.5 million today because mgbe a dollar nọ na 150. Now, nyekwe ha 50,000, which is over $100 that time, which is 100 and something thousand. Ọ bụghị nke na-eme comedy, o nwere Madam Social, or anybody nọ na IPOB, Fege, Odakpo, Woliwo, all these places, amụ ya, ọ ya nwa na-eji ego ya rent moto those days, a na-eje rally na Ọnịcha, kwụọ ụgwọ everybody. Now, Nnamdi Kanu kpọọ that woman around 2019. Na-asị ha ka ha join ya ndị politicians, IPOB join na ndị politicians. This woman sị mba. Ebe okwu bido sebe bụ mgbe Benjamin mmadụ bụ ugwu ha na-pressure ka ọ na-elevi ndị mmadụ. This woman sị na all these women bịasịa meeting sometimes na-enwa na-eji ego akpa ha nye ha ego moto. Na-esi nri, ụfọdụ ụmụ ha nọ n'ụlọ ọgwụ ọ na-enye ha. Because na okwere elevi ndị otu ha, a na-achụ this woman ka egbuo na-achị wepịa ndị unit ha sị na ọ bụ na ewepụ this woman they will not come again. Oru ụbọchị ha jere n'ọba na-eme meeting. Ndị otu Benjamin mmadụ bụ ugwu mgbe ha na-aza volunteer force. Ha jee ebe ahụ jee kụọ this woman ebe ebu ya jee bụ n'ụlọ eze okpoko of Ọba. And remember na eze okpoko of Ọba by right, ọ bụ na Nnamdi Kanu miniri ihe ọ na-ekwu, onweghị ekwesịghị ijikọ ya na eze okpoko of Ọba. Why? Eze okpoko of Ọba and Emmanuel Iwaji so na ndị GCCC na-anara gọọmenti project. Ngwa na onwe gị ma Ọnịcha Owerri road mgbe a na-arụ ya. Ebuzo rụcha. Check and then one day ask give them 5 minutes. Jepa, give 5 minutes please. Give 5 minutes, let me finish. Ngwa na onwe gị mana ebuzo rụcha Imo side of that Owerri road, even though na akwakwara ugwu that Njaba river. Meti ihe niile. Ndị a rie this morning. Ndị a rie this morning, Richard that money. Mgbe emechaziri ofu ndị ahụ ka ebusi this woman jee na palace ya jee kụọ this woman. Ihe ji hapụ this woman ebe 2 nke a ọbụkwa kidnapping o ka nye ga another one. O nwere one woman a na-akpa akpa mbọ iko nsọ chọrọ ini that woman na ndụ. Gịnị na-esekwa again because ha nwasị na ihe ha na-eme bụ strictly Biafra na onwe ihe jikọ ha na ndị ya ịchọ nye gị nọmba the woman ịkpọ ya confirm. Ha dị 3 people, Cosmos George, the other George from Akwa Ibom, and Akpambo. Akpambo bụ that woman na-lead protest ma ndị IPOB na-eme protest na Rivers State. Ọ na-anọ n'iru mana because na okwero eje buru this woman chini ya na ndụ ekpochigo ya aja onye na-ete nkwụ wee tiwe mkpu. Then na ịka nne gị ihe njisi gị na Nnamdi agaghị apụta. Cheka njanụ na nke Nnamdi.
Wait. Program a nwere ebe ihe reason why you made this program. Ihe abụrụ history or ịgaba ihe gara aga.
No, ịtụrụ m maka Nnamdi na-achụ but hold up please. Biko 1 minute. All this memory lane njebu because of ihe kwuru. It's in advance. No na-eme kidnapping.
I remember to say Evans na onye a.
All from Otieno na Jepak Biko.
No, wait, I'm coming. As the ihe mere that name Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Kedu ihe mere eji wee dị against him? Why is
on the back and not in Jepak Biko ne can you argue something? I don't go too long.
Those guys got the point because
I cannot change German. Can you argue something with 15 seconds? So no problem. Nanya. I don't go na media so long. I'm a mumbundi media na check out to mud off mbo na land the point. Now come Ghana and Ken Nnamdi Kanu. Na because ngwa no nwe mana brom tata. Na 2020 before then woku ye gbasa mu na Nnamdi Kanu na ndị otu ya. Mana na-eme program ndị IPOB na abeba mechie this thing na mama na Nnamdi Kanu no live. So what's my problem with you people na Nnamdi Kanu on the live or not live? Oburo once, oburo 2 times, oburo 3 times. Obuna that page they publish now. I would go, you just have to go back to the things, if you comment. Even they made your political program. Adime tinye ọnụ n'ihe gbasara IPOB or anything. Ihe na-ekwu maka geopolitics, ihe na-eme na mba ụwa. In fact, Oya meburu mgbe a chọọ m ịkpa afọ ebe a ka abịa eme na attack your page. Oya meburu mgbe a na 2020 ndị mmadụ na-eti mkpu. Mwa chiri warning ya na 2019 na ihe a na-abịa na unu nekwa anya. November 2019 the video ka na YouTube. Na ihe dị otu a na-abịa, ihe dị otu a na-abịa. Unu kwado because no ihe na-focus that time. Then ọrụ na 2020. Ndị a every time na-eme program and I say Nnamdi Kanu, I don't have to listen to him because I'm smarter and more intelligent than him. Hanekuya oru one day Nnamdi Kanu may open challenge. Sina only Igbo ọbụla, a doctor, a traditionalist, a Muslim cause of a pastor. Sina ihe ha na-eme na ha dey emete na onye should come up for a challenge and or shut up for life.
I did debate on this topic.
No, 15 seconds.
In a broadcast like this, if you are giving 5 minutes to lay your points, that 5 minutes should be utilized. I've given you more than 15 minutes. Wait, 1 minute. I am coming. I know. 1 minute. Just 1 second. A second. No, now. Wait.
I want you to host himself, Governor.
1 second. I said one. You will talk.
I want to get this problem. By them 2 minutes total. Them 2 minutes total.
No, I can't give you 2 minutes now. No, I can't give you 2 minutes. A lot of people want to speak.
Jepa, even put out 2 minutes, you can remove Jepa, please.
Nobody will remove you. You will be here.
Jepa, don't stop interrupting me, please. Give me 2 minutes to know what I'm saying.
In a program where Ijele, you have your own
No,
program.
no.
We are giving somebody on the audience to speak for 5 minutes, just like in a debate. I say, use this 5 minutes
No, I'm not here for 5 minutes. You say you are here for me to answer questions. Then, if you don't like the way I answer questions, it's your person. It's not my problem.
Ijele, calm down.
This is the point I'm going to. Governor, 1 minute. 1 minute. Now, come with 90 seconds. Check out with 90 seconds.
You have said 15 seconds. Now,
count 90 seconds for me. Don't interrupt me. Count 90 seconds.
Ijele,
I don't want him to go out.
Governor, Mr. Governor, like I said before, I would like you to host me so we have time to talk. I don't like all these things. Somebody will be bridging my conversation. I'm less than 90 seconds from stopping. When I said he called for a challenge, from that place to the end, it's less than 90 seconds. Let me finish. Now, when Nnamdi Kanu said he wants open challenge, their people came and pasted it on my own platform. I told them, okay, you people register on my behalf. Over 200 people registered. Then before that day reached, somebody called me from Australia. His name is Tony. Those of them IPO members in Australia know him. He told me to withdraw. I said, I will never withdraw. I want to see the head of this argument. That day, Nnamdi Kanu did not show up. Then I started firing him. What did you do? On my birthday 2020, 22nd of June, they called a girl from Italy. From Libya to Italy. On the order of Nnamdi Kanu and his IPOB. Because somebody called me and said, if I stop talking about IPOB, they will delete, and then Nnamdi Kanu, they will delete the video. I told them to go to hell. And this is how we are where we are today. You didn't hear when they set me up in Turkey? They thought my gun was not licensed, trying to send me to jail. But when they came and saw that my gun was licensed, there was nothing they could hold me on. They tried to hold me in jail for 4 months. I told them, no, I'm going home. I have my passport here. Nothing was stamped on it. Wait now, and at the end of the day, this is where it is, and people will be telling me, oh, what did he do? You don't know what he did? I'm waiting.
Okay, thank you very much. You said 90 seconds. Please, can you just relax? Let me drop a point before Governor.
I'm finished.
Okay, thank you
I
very
didn't
much. Traffic. Did you actually?
No. This is from IPOB leadership. They called me.
Did you actually engage in human trafficking in Turkey?
Am I mad?
One.
Am I mad?
Okay, one.
Like,
okay,
no, Jepa, whoa, let me address that one too. Hold on. I have never, ever in my whole life engaged in ashawo business where person go they pay me. Like for what? So somebody will throw such an accusation and you expect me to leave the person. For what? For what reason? Why should I leave the person?
Okay, you have cleared yourself. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
The second one is this. All this you have just mentioned now, does it justify for you to fight for
100%?
Not to be released?
100%. I am proud of it. I will never stop.
I'm coming.
Yes.
Okay, you are 100% okay for you to fight Nnamdi Kanu. Somebody who have opened your eyes and they reveal everything.
Open my eyes in what way? In what way? In what way, please?
Okay, in what way? Okay, let me tell you.
Please,
let me tell you I'm coming. Let me tell you 2 or 3 ways.
No, let him list those 5 ways. No. Jepa, tell me how he opened my eyes. I want to hear you, then I will respond to you.
One. Is there any functioning seaport in the southeast and the south?
Do you have sea in the southeast?
Where is
sea?
Where is Port Harcourt and the Warri?
Hold on, please.
On the highway seaport before. Port Harcourt and Warri on the highway seaport. Don't
contradict yourself. We don't have, hold on please, we don't have seaports in the southeast. Then the river port you are seeing, I maintain that our people are the reason that river port is so. Now go and check from Obasanjo to Jonathan. Check all the people they've been awarding the contract of the dredging of River Niger and building second Niger bridge. Go and check the list and don't be buying. We don't have those things because our people, they gave the money. Exit.
Okay,
how many times did Obasanjo award
the for you? I don't want to say much. Somebody instructed me that I'm a moderator, so I don't have to speak much.
Ijele, you have a glass of water. You have a glass of water there, right? You need to take it a bit on camera. Just take a sip of it. All right, relax. Remove anger now. Remove anger.
I don't speak with anger. I don't speak with anger. Forget my voice. I don't speak with anger.
Okay. Now, I see. Now when you hear this again and the IPOB, not Nnamdi Kanu.
No. Starting from him. No. Okay. Starting from him, because please, IPOB operates on the principle of command and control, which means it is one command and one control. So you cannot be against the group and not the person controlling it.
Okay, thank you. This problem started in Turkey. Thank you. Yes. That's 1 point. 2, you are from Imo State, right?
Yes.
I am from Imo State, right? Are you against the common man? The common Igbo man. In fact, let's go to Imo State. Are you against the common indigenous person of Imo State, or are you helping them? Just yes or no.
My brother, I am at the forefront of exterminating every ESN camp in the Imo State, and you are still asking me this. In my own community, I started. Wait, please. I started from my own community. I have been in the field. They know how many of them, when me and them don't shake hands, but they are not alive today to tell you how it happened, because it was either me or them. I am literally at the forefront of exterminating all these criminals, and you are asking me now them for common man. Like,
where does that come from? Calm down, Ijele, calm down.
I
Ijele, you know why I ask you that question?
Yes.
If actually you love the commoner in Imo State, I did not see you speak up when somebody who came forth on an election became the governor of the state.
Yes.
Can I answer you? Governor?
Yes.
Okay, Governor. Did you read the judgment? And what was the judgment? What did they say? If you don't read it, let me tell you now. The Imo State election of 2019, everybody knows that Owele Rocha, Sokorocha, and Hope Uzodinma were not in good terms. Because Hope Uzodinma defeated Uche Nwosu for the ticket, of which that would have been aberration to turn Imo State governorship into a dynastic seat. Now, on the day of the election, they removed 382 polling units. 382 polling. Who in Nigeria will they remove 382 polling units? Results that were signed. Now, at the end of the day, the court added it. INEC, is this your result? They said yes. Is this your signature? They said yes. They now added it to his subtotal. That was how he became, the vote became fair, but people miss it. And wait now, Emeki Yedioha, please. Emeki Yedioha won only 3 local governments, mind you. And at the end of the day, my brother, don't you know the result?
Ijele,
wait,
they ask the question. Why? No, wait. They ask the question. Why?
Fourth. And Jepak, are you not listening or are you just reading the comment? I told you the 382 polling units they removed from him. This is a result INEC certified from polling unit. Now they removed them from the. This is the court judgment, not me, not my word. Go and check it. All of them, they asked them, how would you cancel 380 polling units? Did you sign this or not? They said they signed it and they acknowledge it as the result signed by the INEC official. Now they added, but when people want to when people want to say something about it, they don't talk about that. And because of the lies sold, so many people were comfortable in supporting the people that broke the Owerri prison, and we are living with the consequences today.
Wait, thank you very much. Governor Eziokwu,
I'm not done. I am not done.
This privilege is for Governor Eziokwu. And Ijele, thank you very much. I want you to be a good listener. Governor, you have already led your point. So I want Governor Eziokwu to also made his own point in a way people understand. So both question and answer and just go on for 10 minutes.
If you get flamed up when I ask one question or you drag it too long, you will not meet up to 25% of the questions I have for you. Ijele,
you are free to host me. Me, I know they run from questions. Just let me land the answer.
No problem. Ijele, I will ask you, before I leave here, I will ask you the one that will get you provoked. But that one, I want to reserve it for the later end.
No, I don't. Try me and see if you can provoke me.
Okay. I put it to you, Ijele, that the election, I am not supposed to be deliberating over issues or what transpired during the election. Did you also remember that Hope Uzodinma never contested election with the platform of APC in 2019? How do I know? Let me point it clear to you. Because somebody who has no vehicle cannot convey any goods on a certain transit on his name, bearing the name or the ownership of the vehicle. Remember, the APC nomination, as ruled by the law, the court of law, the ticket was owned by Uche Nwosu and that of AA. At this point, the same court of law disqualified Uche Nwosu for 2 nominations, APC and AA. So which vehicle conveyed this your governor to government house before the Supreme Court now placed a judgment that he won the election?
Should I answer you?
Yes.
Uche Nwosu, the election they conducted, could they say he won, was heavily inconclusive until Gulak, the late Gulak, was sent to Imo State. He conducted the election. Hope Uzodinma won it. Now, Uche Nwosu, the fact that he knew Hope won the other one, he went into AA. His mistake was not cancelling what they gave him in that first one. That was the reason they cancelled it. If Uzodinma was not a candidate, do you think you know better than Emeki Ihedioha that he was not arguing that? Why didn't Emeki Ihedioha argue that if what you are saying is true?
Because I don't know what you were. This my program has been deviated to another thing. As you can see,
wait, I will go back.
I'm coming. I am not here politically. The topic of my program is that you can see the caption on the topic. And I don't know why all this is deviating to my.
You know, I listened before I started talking. I know where I am going. Ijele, I have another question for you. Outside Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, and the guy is important down in Bawasia Igbo Menka. Go after that. I'm not against that too. But outside Nnamdi Kanu, can you mention 3 other occupations you have? Because I want to patronize you.
3 other occupations I have.
Yes.
In case you don't know, I am a consultant. I'm a security consultant.
On what?
I'm a political consultant.
Consultant on what ground or area?
Jepat, is it that did you even finish primary school? I said security consultant, and you are asking me on what area?
Okay,
now, hold on. I am a security consultant. I'm a political analyst. I write programs for people. I write policies. I own a page, and I was a farmer up until last year when the disaster happened.
When you left Imo State.
Waiting be left Imo State, I'd get a cow for Taraba State. Now, do you think I'm just somebody that is
a cow now?
You see, hold on, let me come. Let me please. There are other things I do. Hold on, please. Now, there are other things I do which you don't know. My page is there. And if you are a broadcaster, you will know that having a page in 2023 is a job on its own. In case you want to leave that one, then there are other things I'm doing from behind which I'm not gonna mention to anyone.
Which branch do you have in Southeast? How are you employing people from the Southeast?
What business? What branch are you talking about? Like Southeast? Why would I bring it something like waiting to bring me go there? My politics has nothing to do with the Southeast. My security consultancy is at the federal level, and you are telling them the cows at Taraba State. When it's done, I bring it over to Abuja, sell them. What business do I have with Southeast business that I will open a branch there? Just open a branch for opening.
And Japan practice Omenala.
How do you mean Anano Japan approach? Where is this question coming from?
You know where it's coming from.
Wait. Must I have a business branch in the Southeast? That is the question.
Yeah.
If my business is a lie. It's a lie. It's not true.
Ijele, the reason why all your own village, your own community, catching when that terrorize the Southeast, why? And that's why you are fighting them.
It's a lie. No, please. No, Governor, 1 minute. There is no single ESN camp in my village. And when you cannot show me how many people from Umuduru, let alone Amanduba, that are involved in this ESN, name the ones where they don't buy and the ones where they in control. The ones in my own village, I made sure I took care of them. All of them were like this. The rest ran away.
Okay,
and wait, please.
But this very question to add to your own. Ijele,
yes.
This answer is, I don't want you to prolong the issue. This answer is yes or no. This question is this.
No. Jepa, please. Don't limit an intelligent conversation to a yes or no answer. You give me your question, and I will answer you.
This is why I said that this question is a question of yes or no, because of the question.
Okay.
As Igbo man is in Igbo, Imo State, that man no Bomuduru.
As Igbo man Igbo,
Okay. Sorry, as Igbo man Igbo.
Yes.
Yes. Kama solution a ga-eji mee ka e release Nnamdi Kanu ka ịchọ ka ọ nọrọ ebe a bye.
Nwanne achọrọ m ka onye a nwụọ echi sef and ịchọ nye gị the reason. Ịchọ nye gị the reason. Achọrọ m ka ọ nwụọ echi. Achọrọ m ka ọ nwụọ echi. Ịma mmadụ onye ogbugoro. Nnamdi Kanu, ịma mmadụ onye ogbugoro. Ọ bụrụ na ịma ha ka enye gị information, ọ bụrụ na ịma ha.
Have you seen a rifle? Have you seen a rifle n'aka Nnamdi Kanu?
I need him for rifle n'aka ya. Ị dị anụ ihe ọ na-ekwu. Ịnụ ọgbọ Igbo ndị ahụ. Onye a bụ coward, ọma mpụkwanwu mgbọ, ọma mpịanwu igwe. Mana ọ na-etinye ndị mmadụ. Ọgwụ nke a na-akpọ akụwara, ime onye bụ akụwara. Nnamdi Kanu ji akụwara rụchaa ọrụ. One day, February 24th, 2020, or 26, 2020, ka Nnamdi Kanu